What you doing? Where you going? We're searching for a leader. Who you seeking? A righteous man in this nation, yeah. Who no business what people say about him. What you doing? Where you going? We're searching for a leader. Who you seeking? A righteous man in this nation, yeah. Who no business what people say about him.
Received Divine C. Simpson with high honors, Leadership Awardee Battle
Ann L. Nolasco.
Gerald G. Biban.
Sandy M. Reyes.
Abdurrahman V. Burgos.
Rice Ann P. Romeo.
Kurt Daniel P. Kapindit.
Jillian T. San Jose.
Benedict M. Corrales.
Julifer A. Sarian.
Christian J. B. Danam.
Jermaine Angela B. Serrano.
Sam Daniel Francia.
Princess Jane V. Cesar.
Romney D. Maravillas.
Rachel Ann O. Solsona.
John Paul Melor.
Let the completers of Tanjara come up on stage under the advisorship of Ma'am Susan M. Painante to receive their certificates.
John Ray S. Olfemia.
San Mark D. Apil.
John Cedric M. Pandilla.
Kapay Gretchen P. Danilo.
Mark Angel I. Radaza.
Mark Kevin Cyril H. Briggs.
Rojan Ian R. Regalado.
Ryan Vincent F. Rondo.
Nicole Andre P. Regosado.
Mark Ryan R. Casil.
John Rafael B. Relos.
Ramon Daniel O. Sreya.
Christian J. D. Sanchez.
James Rack P. De Los Santos.
Ruel M. Theodones.
San Mark D. Francisco.
Arnel D. Valencia.
John Russell R. Isik.
Ken C. Verdejo.
Eugene J. Llorien.
John Joseph M. Villarin.
Ronnie L. Macalona.
Riza O. Azur.
Ryan D. Mariano.
Liza May V. Baldon,
Benji Lian Ace D. Napal,
Gian B. Bermundo,
James Ryan B. Ponsalida,
Sarah May R. Bodit,
Mark Nazarene A. Cañada,
Jarlit Diona B. Calino,
Hans Alfred B. Ribuya,
Johanna J. S. Cuevas,
Elson Jr. T. Reyama,
Mika Ella May H. Diomo,
Darwin D. Resurrección,
Shaman Kim S. De Los Santos,
Mark Luis C. Sabiñano,
Rochelle Yvonne S. Ella,
Marion M. Ria Jr.,
Iona Nicole D. Gaspar,
John Russell N. Giliano,
Alejandra May N. Gonzalez,
Mary Althea A. Apin,
Everybody uno come gather round. Linka, uno come gather round.
You feeling hearty? This is a party. Go tell Cassandra, Amanda,
And rope them in.
This is a story you never ever hear.
Bout the good and the bad and the right and the wrong.
So call your mother,
Call your father,
call your sister,
call your brother,
call your granny,
and your papa,
even your friend.
everybody. Now is the time to join the line. This is for you and everybody. Come, let me tell you this that story.
There was a man who had great wealth, and a poor man who lived in a shack. This poor man worked, he worked so hard for just a little pay. He worked for many years and bought a little land. Finally, no longer alone, this poor man took his little lamb home. A great company.
He loved her, he raised her, such love and such care. He played with the lamb like a child of his own. Sometimes he went hungry, but not so the lamb. He fed her like an infant
I am happy, very happy, though I'm a poor man. I am joyful, so joyful, with you, little lamb. I am glad, so very glad, to see you grow. You are God's gift to me. Be at peace, my dear little lamb. Be at rest, my dear little lamb. You're an innocent creature, so innocent. You are the creature of God.
Hey there, young man, what's that you got there? Beauty, I tell you, lovely little creature, wonderful, cheerful, a most cheerful sight I have seen.